In this video,
We will learn how to fix Fortnite Client Win64 Shipping.exe error on Fortnite. In order to fix Fortnite Client Shipping.exe not launching error on Fortnite, we'll need to head to the search panel. From here, we'll search for Epic Games Launcher. Then click on Open. After the client opens, we will head to the library. From here we will find Fortnite in here, so we'll just right click on it, then go to manage. Now beside the installation we'll find the open install location folder icon. We'll just left click on it. Now as you can see, we are in the Fortnite installation directory. From here what we have to do is go to the Fortnite game folder. Now right click on the binary folder, then delete it. Do the same for the engine file. Go to the engine file, right click on the binary, then delete it. After deleting these files, all you need to do is go back to the Epic Games Launcher. Under the Fortnite tab, we'll just click on verify. After the verification is complete, we'll just go ahead and click on the launch button of Fortnite. And after that, Fortnite will launch as usual. Now the game has launched and you can enjoy the game like previously. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.